It's a little haul. I thought that I would sit down. Shit. Hi guys, my name's Jade. Welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you are returning, welcome back. So today we have a home bargains haul. I went into Home Bargains. I dropped Harrison off at Nursery the other day and I thought, you know what? I'm going to go into Home Bargains because I don't remember the last time I fully went in there and like had a look around on my own and just bought whatever I fancied really. So this is a pretty random Home Bargains haul, which I mean every Home Bargains haul is pretty random. I mean I just go in and have a look and just buy whatever I want to buy, whatever Home Bargains tells me I'm going to buy, because I feel like that's what Home Bargains is. You go in and the shop tells you what you want. So yeah, it's pretty much a little random Home Bargains haul. I only spent about I think 25, 30 quid, something like that. So it's a little haul. I thought that I would sit down. Shit. So I thought that I would sit down and show you guys what I picked up. Before we get into today's video guys, if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you do watch my videos, because I have been on and at least 60, I think 50-60% of you guys watch my videos and you're not subscribed. Like, subscribe, please subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. It doesn't cost anything, it's completely free. And also if you do like this video guys, then do give it a huge thumbs up as well, because it lets me know that you enjoy it and it really helps me out as well. So let's get into the Home Bargains haul. So I picked up some bath salts because, as you guys know, that I do suffer from like fibromyalgia, so I get really tired, achy muscles pretty much all the time. My body is just like one constant big ache. Like, it's just, yeah, it's just like my muscles ache constantly. It feels like I've been to the gym 24/7, so I'm just constantly fatigued and achy and just sore and stiff. So I do normally have bath salts and I've run out, so I just thought I would pick some up while I was in Home Bargains. So these are just called by a brand called Soak Pure Mineral Bath Salts, Epsom salts, relaxing for tired aching muscles, bath and spa ready, perfect for after sports, exercise, helps relax muscles and reduce tension. So I just thought I'm going to get some of these. They are 100% pure magnesium sulfate. So got me some bath salts, and I actually have my receipt because I remembered I haven't done a Home Bargains haul in so long. Bath salts are $1.69, which isn't bad for a kilo. So I picked myself some bath salt. So I saw these and I was like, yes, they look like a bit of me. So these are Cadbury's Crunchy Melts Oreo Cream. So I'm guessing they're like a cookie. I don't know if it's got an Oreo inside. It's just got like the cream of an Oreo inside, I think. So they looked really nice, and I forgot how much they were. They were £1.89. Oh, okay, that's quite a bit expensive, but I guess because it's Cadbury's. So they were £1.89. I don't know how many you get. Oh, you get 12. So they look really yummy. So I'm looking forward to eating them. So I picked up some mouthwash because we needed mouthwash, and I've heard that an antibacterial mouthwash is better for your mouth, like your gums and stuff. It can stop you from getting like gum problems and stuff like that. So I picked this up, and this was £1.79. So yeah, I got this because it was like the cheaper version of, what's the brand called? You know what I mean? I can't remember it. But like obviously the more expensive brand. So this was like the cheaper brand, mint flavour. So this is called Gum Health, can't spell that word, chlorhexidine antibacterial mouthwash. My dentist said that using an antibacterial mouthwash is better, so that's why I got that. Oh, I seen this, and why did I get it? Oh, well, I got it because it just looked interesting. It's a fridge storage drawer. It's like it just clips onto the bottom of your fridge. Don't know if you can see that, like at the, you know, with the glass bit at the bottom. So you've got an extra drawer for all your stuff. So I just thought, yes, I'm gonna get that. Looks like someone's already opened it, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to have a look and I'm going to show it to you, because I feel like it would be better that way to show it to you. So it's just like a little, extra drawer. So that goes on the little shelf bit, and then I've got a little extra drawer so you could put in there. Do you know what you could put in there? Like, I don't know, for example, Baby Bells for Harrison and stuff like that, don't you know, like cheeses, little baby cheeses, and like pepperonis and stuff, like little snacky things for Harrison. So I just thought that was nice. That was like, how much was this? It was $1.99, so it's not expensive, quite cheap. So I may go back and get some more. I could have one on either side of my fridge. Yeah, I got that because I just thought it would come in handy, and I can pop that on the fridge. I can put all my little things in there, so I've got an extra little shelf in my fridge. So yeah, I thought that was really good, really handy to have in the fridge. So then I picked up some soap. Now I got this soap, guys, because this is transparent soap, and it just says it's pure and gentle with natural oils. I picked this up because, right, I know that you could use soap for your brows and stuff to like brush them up, and I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but I've just seen people just using like a transparent soap and they just put the spoolie on it and just do that. So I got myself some soap, but I thought this would do the trick. It's like wax, you know. So this actually smells nice. So I don't know, that's what I got it for anyway. So we're going to give that a go and see if that will work on my eyebrows. This was like the cheap. How much was this soap? It was like, I think it was like 50p. What was it called? Yeah, it was 49p. So yeah, can't go wrong. And you know, we can use it in the bathroom. So that's why I got that. It was mainly for my eyebrows, but I'm going to see if it'll work. So then I picked up these. These are Power Fizz Tabs Anti-Lime Scale. This is by the brand Blue. I've never seen this before. You know, it says new. So I thought, oh, I've never seen these by this brand. And you actually get 12 for £2.69, which isn't bad. These are lemon scented, and it just says, yeah, total lime scale removal, no scrubbing required, deep cleaning in the U-bend. And I was just like, yeah, I need some of these. So yeah, I picked up them for the toilet. So then I picked up this. This is by Real Techniques. This is the single pocket expert organizer. So this goes on your mirror. So it clicks, you know what I mean? It sticks on your mirror. It says it clings to your mirror and more. So, oh, it says great for lockers, travel and home. So my idea behind this, right guys, I picked up this because obviously you can put your makeup brushes and stuff in it, but I've been looking for something for like toothbrushes for ages in the bathroom, and every time I buy something it just goes all like, yeah, just not nice. I've not found anything that I really like for the toothbrushes, so they just end up getting shoved in something really crap. So I thought this would be good, right? So this can go onto the mirror in the bathroom maybe, and I could stick, I mean, I know you probably could buy something similar to this off like eBay, Amazon or whatever, but this wasn't even that expensive. It was, oh, there we go, Real Techniques. If this was £1.50, so I thought that's why I got it. I thought that was quite good. So yeah, you just got this little sticky thing there, peel it off, stick it to your mirror, whatever, and you could pop anything there. Toothbrushes in there, makeup brushes. I'll put it on my mirror and put makeup brushes in there. And the perfect thing about it is if it's like really travel friendly, so take it anywhere. So yeah, I just thought that was a good little thing for £1.50. Like £1.50, I'm pretty sure that it's worth more than that. Like if you was buying it from somewhere like Superdrug or Boots, I'm pretty sure that is more than £1.50. So yeah, I thought that was a steal actually, guys. £1.50 for that. So perfect. Then I got these, you know, Quavers. I absolutely love Quavers. I don't know about anyone else, but does anyone else remember they used to do prawn cocktail and salt and vinegar flavour Quavers, and they stopped doing them and they're back. They're back, and I was like, oh yes, I have to get them. How much were these? These were £1.50, and I'm pretty sure I bought them in Tesco before and they're more expensive. So you get a pack of 6. So I got myself them prawn cocktail Quavers because they are just amazing, and the salt and vinegar ones are nice as well. So yeah, I had to get some of these. I don't think Harrison will eat them. I'm not sure he likes prawn cocktail, but I had to get them, guys, because they're back. They're my favourite. So I picked me up some of those prawn cocktail Quavers. So I picked Harrison up a new toothbrush because, I mean, I've been through several with him. I'm trying to get him to, obviously we know what kids are like, they don't want to brush their teeth. So I thought I'd pick this up for Harrison because when you press it, it flashes. So I just thought, you know, it flashes for 2 minutes and I could be like, oh, this is the game, you've got to brush your teeth until it flash stop, so that's why I picked that up for him. So we'll see if this works. It was literally like, I think it was £1 maybe. Yeah, 99p. So you can't go wrong for that. 99p. So hopefully it will make him want to brush his teeth and enjoy brushing his teeth. So I got that for Harrison. Then I got, oh yeah, I got some cotton pads because I forgot to pick some up in Primark when I went the other week. So I got them and I think they were like £1 as well, 50p. No, not 50p, £1. Cotton pads. Yeah, 99p. So there's what, 200 in there because I needed them. So I got myself some cotton pads. Then, nothing exciting, but I got this for the toilet because it smelled really nice. So this was only 99p. I think it was like the cheapest one out of the ones that I was looking at, and it smells nice. So we got this for the toilet, but I didn't know this, guys, but apparently I've been doing this wrong. I thought that you clip this bit over the toilet, like it goes over the thing, you know, the side of the toilet. But apparently it goes on the inside and it like tucks under. Legit genius, and didn't even know that. So yeah, I got that for the toilet. So then I picked myself some shampoo because my hairdresser, I've been trying to just not use a shampoo that's full of like silicones and sulfates and stuff. So I wanted to get some shampoo that is silicone and sulfate free because it's so much better for your hair. I've seen so many TikToks of like hairdressers and things saying about how bad sulfates and silicones are for your hair. It like makes your hair like, you know, that's why your hair falls out when you're in the shower and your hair just comes out in clumps. That's what mine does, and bald patches and things. So I've stopped using things like Garnier, Tresemme because they're really bad for your hair, and I think some other brands as well. So this brand is called, I think it's called Maui Moisture. This is cheaper in Home Bargains, guys. They sell this in Tesco. I nearly almost bought it the other day when I went shopping, and it was like £7 a bottle. But in Home Bargains, it's £1.99. It's £1.99 per bottle. Yeah, it's £1.99. So save yourself some money if you're gonna buy a shampoo like this. So this has no mineral oils, no silicones, it's got no SLS, no sulfates, no synthetic dyes, and no oils. It's vegan, it's pure coconut water, and it's got pure aloe juice. Perfect. I got the one for chemically damaged hair, which is mine, because obviously I have it bleached and stuff all the time. I also picked up the mask as well, and that was £1.99. And I have to say, oh, I'm going to drop it. I have to say, guys, I have used it already because I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to do this haul. I had to just try it out, and it's amazing. It's really, really nice. My hair just felt just so nice after it. And the weird thing is, when I was washing my hair in the shower and I used this, my hair wasn't coming out in clumps, which is so mad. So yeah, definitely recommend that. It's so good. What else did I get? Oh, I got these. Picked up these Bliss bars because, oh no, I broke the box, never mind. Picked up these Bliss bars. These are 99 calories. These are like the little whip bars. What are the other ones called? Another brand, but I saw these ones and I thought, oh, I'm going to try this one. So I bought the lemon flavour, white chocolate lemon flavour, and salted caramel skinny whip. That's what it is. They're like the skinny whip, but a different brand. So I picked up them, and I'm pretty sure they were the same price. Let me have a look. These were 99p. So yeah, 99p. I just got them because of the flavour, really. They didn't have these flavour in the skinny whip ones. So yeah, lemon and sort of caramel. So yeah, I thought they were nice. Try them. I'm excited. And then this was what I went in for. I went in for this. The Sif Perfect Finish Mould Stain Remover, because we've got mould in our tiles and I've tried everything to get it off. I've tried those sponge things that you can get, and it's supposed to like be a magic eraser sponge. Nah, it didn't work. It was absolutely crap. So I got this, and this is what I went in for because I wanted to try this. This was I feel like this is probably the most expensive out of the whole thing. $1.79. It's not the most expensive actually. So yeah, I got this. This is what I went in for, and I ended up just buying a whole bunch of random stuff. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have bought this. Have you used it? I've not used it yet, so I got this because I wanted to try it, see if it's good. Is it good? Is it good for getting the mould off the tiles? We'll see, but yeah, that's what I went in for, so I picked that up as well. So that was everything I got from Home Bargains. As I say guys, it was only just a little random spontaneous little trip to Home Bargains. I went into one thing and ended up buying a whole bunch of different things. I literally could spend hours in Home Bargains. I don't know about anyone else, but I could just spend, especially in, you know, the huge big like stores that they now have. We've got a couple around near us, and every time I ask if James will drive me there, he's like, no, you ain't not going to Home Bargains, because he knows how long I take in there. I can go down every single aisle and I've got to look at every single thing. I don't know. I just like it. I like to go, you know, the ones that actually have the clothes, because they sell clothes in Home Bargains now and stuff. Maybe I should do a Home Bargains haul, but like a clothing haul, because they sell pyjamas, they sell actual clothes in there. So maybe I should go in and like see what they've got and do like a clothing haul from Home Bargains or something. If that's something you would want to see, let me know in the comments down below. But I hope that you did enjoy this video guys. If you did, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.